We're looking at the brand new 2025 Puma Camping Edition, right? Just came out this past fall. What is it? What separates it, right? It's a very aggressive price point unit. It's going to give you a lot of the high-end features that you're going to see in more of expensive units, right? So they came in and made a couple different models that'll fit, you know, a customer that's maybe this is going to be their first camper, right? They can buy new for what a lot of used ones are out there. So that's what's very unique about the Puma Camping Edition that they're doing. It's going to feature a ton of different options on it that you're not typically going to see on an entry unit. So like I said, it's brand new. Palomino has been in business for a long time. Forest River owns Palomino. So great company, very well built, have very good warranties as well.